This video will introduce the Gweike Cloud G2 unboxing and installation steps. By Gweike Cloud G2, you will receive a package size 8340 to 17.5 when you receive the machine. Please check the packaging if intact when purchasing the G2. You can also choose the extension kit to delivery at the same time. The extension kit for the G2 including versatile electric roller, rotary chuck, protective shield. Use tools to unbox. Take the G2 components out of the box according to the video. Check whether the accessories are all intact. G2 accessories including a laser power cable and USB-C cable, a pair of safety goggles, a power adapters, a power connection cable, a piece of L-shaped quick connect fixing plate, a set of working panel and positioning plate, a set of tools accessories kit, a signal cable, a lifting platform, a focal length ruler, a pair of brackets for laser source, laser source, laser head, fiber laser cable and USB flash disk. Take out the lifting platform and working panel. Using the hex wrench and screws to secure the knob on the working platform. Take out the L-shaped fixing plate. Insert the side of the L-shaped fixing plate with the two holes into the two bolts of the lifting platform. Tighten the knob to secure the L-shaped fixing plate to the lifting platform. Adjust the angle of L-shaped fixing plate. Tighten the bottom knob to make the L-type plate fixed well. Turn the knob above the riser block clockwise, raising the L-shaped fixing plate to the correct position. Align the square recess on the lower surface of the laser head with the square bulge above the L-shaped fixing plate. Take out the knob and fix it to the laser head on the L-shaped fixing plate. Take out the brackets. Mounting to brackets under the laser source. Take out the laser head power cable. Plug in the corresponding connector of the laser head and laser source. Take out the positioning plate and install it on the working platform, according to the video. Take out the power adapter. Plug one end of the power adapter into the laser as shown in the video. Take out the power cable. Connecting the power cable to the power adapter. Connect the other end of the power cable to the socket. Take out the signal line. Insert each side of the signal cable into the corresponding connector of the laser head and laser source. Gweike Cloud G2 assembled. Thanks for watching.